Hey guys, Murisei. Welcome back to Shona Land, and today I'll be taking you through the last letter of the Shona alphabet, which is Z, and combining it with the Shona vowels. So as a recap, we say the Shona alphabet contains of consonants and vowels, and the vowels, which are these letters at the bottom, are the ones that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And this is how you pronounce them. So we've got A, E, O, U. Okay. So now combining the letter Z with the Shona vowels, this is how you pronounce it. When you combine the letter Z with A, it's za, za, za. When you combine it with it's ze, ze, ze. When you combine it with E, it's z, z, z. When you combine it with O, it's zo, zo, zo. When you combine it with U, it's zu, zu, zu. Okay, so it's za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Okay? Now giving you sample words so that you know how to properly pronounce it. For za, we've got a Shona word, zama. Zama. That's examination in English. Zama. Ze, we've got zera. 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 That's age in English. Zera. For Z, we've got ZZ. ZZ. That's an owl in English. ZZ. For Zo, we've got Zora. 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 That's smear. Smear. Zora. For Zu, we've got Zuda. Zuda. That's a bald head in English. Zuda. So, za, zama, ze, zera, zi, zizi, zo, zora, zu, zuda. And this brings us to the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching this series where we've been teaching you the Shona alphabet and vowels and how to pronounce the combination of the consonants and vowels that are in the Shona alphabet. Thank you so much, and be on the lookout for the next videos that will be coming up. And our main goal is to help you to speak Shona as fluent as possible. Thank you so much. Ndatenda. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.